Today we're looking at Humen, which calls itself the world's fastest GTM engine. In this video, I'll walk you through what Humen is, how it works, who is it for, pricing, and finally, how it stacks up against alternatives like Agent Frank. So, what is Humen? It's an AI outbound execution platform designed to replace your patchwork stack of prospecting, enrichment, personalization, and sending tools. Instead of gluing together 5 or 6 different products, Humen tries to give you one system that does it all. And here are the main features. First, deep lead research. You can upload your leads and Humen automatically enriches them with details like job changes, recent news, and company data, so your emails are context rich. Second, AI-powered personalization. Their engine generates tailored email copy at scale, aligning with your prompts, brand voice, and campaign goals. Third, campaign automation. You can schedule campaigns, run multi-channel outreach, and let Humen manage replies and follow-ups on autopilot. Fourth, deliverability. They have built-in sending best practices with inbox rotation, reputation monitoring, and adaptive sending to keep your emails landing in the inbox. And fifth, customization. You can preview, edit, and fine-tune the AI's emails before they go out, so you don't lose control over the messaging. But is it for you? Humen is aimed at B2B teams that want scale outbound without building huge SDR team or messing around with dozens of tools. If you want one-stop shop for outbound, this is the type of platform they're selling. Unlike some competitors, Humen doesn't publish set plans with monthly prices. Instead, they offer flexible packages built around 3 pillars: deep research, integrated personalization, and smart scheduling with autopilot. To get actual numbers, you'll need to request pricing from their team, which usually means it's pretty expensive or tailored by use case and company size. So if you want something with transparent pricing and then AISDR does everything for you from infrastructure setup to meeting booking, I suggest you take a look at how Agent Frank can do all of that for you at a transparent pricing of $499 per month.